The 5th Civil Relations Group, 5CRG, originated on September 10, 1976, as the Public Information and Civil Assistance Group, PICAG, in southeastern Mindanao. In 1980, PICAG evolved into the 9th Civil Relations Group, spearheading Project Tanglaw and media outreach. By 1981, the 9th CRG became the 11th Civil Relations Group, continuing its mission with renewed focus. Today, as the 5th Civil Relations Group, based in Davao City, we focus on civil operations in rural and suburban communities. We've expanded to Cagayan de Oro and Northern Davao, strengthening community relations and essential services. The success of the 5CRG is a testament to the vision of its commanders and the unwavering dedication of its members. Through every challenge and triumph, they have shaped our history. In today's rapidly changing world, the 5th Civil Relations Group continues to evolve, embracing new strategies and technologies, showcasing our efforts through social media accounts. With active units now in Cagayan de Oro, we are dedicated to serving rural and suburban communities. Our mission focuses on strengthening community relations by delivering essential services, education, and hope to those in need. Collaborating with local governments, we ensure that support reaches even the most remote areas, fostering peace and development. In public affairs, we provide accurate information to shape public perception and maintain trust. Transparent communication is key to highlighting the military's role in nation building. Whether responding to disasters or building community partnerships, the 5CRG remains committed to protecting, uplifting, and empowering the Filipino people. The true impact of our work is reflected in the lives we touch.
Salamat kayo sa iyong tulong, sir, para ginagmay makatulong po sa mga tao na hinagdan.
Thank you, 5th Civil Relations Group!
As we celebrate our 48th founding anniversary, we look back with pride at the remarkable contributions of the 5CRG personnel, whose contributions have shaped our success. For 48 years, our unwavering commitment has exemplified our dedication to serving the people. We now move forward with renewed hope and determination to continue our steadfast service. In collaboration with the Eastern Mindanao Command, and our shared vision of transformation towards genuine healing and reconciliation, the 5th Civil Relations Group remains committed to its mission of service, unity, and nation building. As we look ahead, we will advance together, bolstered by the trust and cooperation of the people of Eastern Mindanao.